Danielle here. I'm with Jana. We just wanted to tell you about our spring open house. We're so excited.
This is really going to be exciting and fun, guys. We have 15 slots per hour, starting at 3 o'clock and going to 7.
We'll have Skin Better, Obagi, Skin Medica. It's a great time to come in and talk with them, get all your questions answered. We'll be talking about cool sculpting, cool tone.
You're probably wondering how to register for this wonderful event.
All you have to do is go online, click our Eventbrite link, and just sign up. I'll give you a call and collect the $25 reservation fee, which you'll be able to use towards your 20% off products.
Come join us. We are so excited to have you.
April 29th from 3 to 7.